kind of windy out here. But today, I finally got some sheet metal for the firewall. I'm going to take my template there, do one final mock-up there with my cardboard, make sure that's how I want it, and we're going to mark our sheet metal and cut it out. Here we go. Using a little wire wheel on the end of my drill here. I'm just kind of knocking all the crap off the firewall here. That's about as good as I'm going to get it for now. Spray paint, it's just Rado-Can. Just go over it, probably just one coat. And then I'm going to take my sheet metal and fit it up to it. I'm going to drill some holes and I'm just going to bolt it on there instead of weld. It's such thin stuff, I don't want to weld it. So. Just some rust reformer. I don't know if it's going to be good or not. So it's a little time later, firewall's all dry, painted up. It looks 1,000 times better to me. Still got a little, I don't know if that's factory, this little dent here or not, but everything looks 1,000 times better. We flattened our edges out and everything else. Looks real good to me. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already bolted up my panel. Painted. It's not perfect, but I plan on maybe later on down the road, maybe redo this. I didn't really have a very good workspace. You saw me doing it on the bed of my truck and on the ground here, and it's got some sharp corners and stuff like that. It's kind of sharp right there. I'm gonna bolt this thing up for you guys so you guys can check it out. Hopefully this will be the last time that you'll see my big square cut out the firewall. Here we go. Alright guys, so there it is, all bolted on and everything. It looks pretty sweet, I think. Like I said guys, it's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. Some of you guys might be like, oh, the edges are sharp or whatever, you know. It doesn't really matter to me. Once the engine's in there, we've got the fenders bolted up, you're not really going to see a lot of the little imperfections. So I just did it with the jigsaw like you saw, and it just did not work very well at all for me. But it did the job, so here it is. So the next video, you guys are gonna see what I've been doing to the inside. I'm gonna give you guys just a little quick peek. That's it. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next video. Like, comment, tell me what you think about it, and please subscribe. It does more good for me than you know. So thanks again.